Take two. Cookie, what else is in there? Is that the prettiest box you ever did see? What's that you took? It looks like fun. What about this? Boop. Do you smell Malik? Cookie, do you smell Malik? What else is in there? Look at that. Cookie, meaty snacks. Oh, you want that too? You want that? What else is in there? Oh my goodness, mini treats. Mini treats for a mini pup. Ah. Do you want treats? Cookie, you want treats? Cookie, what else is in here? Cookie. Cookie. Does it smell good? Is that what you want? Come here. Come here. You gotta show Lalik. Show Lalik what's in your box. Cookie. Cookie. Is it too interesting? Is it all too much? What else? What else? What's that? What's that? It's a little pocketbook for a little girl. A little pocketbook for a little girl. Say thank you. What else is in here? Look at that. You have a baby one of these and you're getting big, so now you have a big one from Lalik. What's that? More treats. More mini treats. Do you want more mini treats? My little fatso. Cookie. Cookie chocolate. Chocolate drops for puppies. Lalik told you about these, didn't she? Didn't she tell you about those? Cookie, what else is in here? Cookie. Cookie, come here. What else? What's that? Ooh, salami. Daddy's gonna be so happy. Salami for his baby girl. Oh, where are you going? Mini puppy bones. For a mini puppy brain. Mini puppy brain. What else is in here? Cookie, what else is in here? Cookie. Cookie, look at this.
Really nice lady you have here, Rachel.
Cookie, look at this. Is that a blankie for you? A soft blankie? A soft blankie? Do you like? Cookie, do you like? Go ahead, jump in the box. Cookie, look what's in the box. Is that the prettiest box you ever did see? Cookie has claimed the toy as hers. What else is in there? Nothing. Take a good scratch. Cookie. Cookie, give kisses. Say thank you. Cookie, say thank you.